Hello everyone, welcome back to the Via Travelers YouTube channel. Today we're going to be looking at the Peak Design packing cubes in small and extra small. These are the normal packing cubes. We're going to also take a look at the mesh ultralight packing cubes by Peak Design. As always with any Peak Design product, absolutely love the fact that they are E Corp certified, climate neutral, and 1% for the planet. The one downside is these sealable plastic wraps. Each Peak Design has come in these. I get kind of wrapping it, but that would be one of my gripes, I guess, is just this exterior packaging. The other product has come in that. Let's open this up. Extra small, so this is 2.5 liters. This is in black, as you can see. And then we also have the small. Open this up as well. There you go. This is ultralight as well, and 10 liter as a small. That's 4 times the size as the extra small. So something to keep in mind when comparing both of these or comparing which ones you need. But the first reaction is, as you can see, the exterior is very well done for weatherproofing. This is nylon. It does feel like kind of like a poncho exterior. It's a little softer. As always with Peak Design, I'm sure you've seen me with other videos. The exterior clamps, straps are always sold separately, but it's always an option if you wanted to clamp this on the outside. Given the lining and the weatherproofing for outdoors, this would be an excellent thing for camping. And if you have a backpack, you can literally strap both of these packing cubes on the exterior of your backpack. This is another mounting option right here where the Peak Design logo is a nice material. You can see, as always, with the zipper, love the sealable right here. That's built to last, right? So no fraying or no even ripping of the zipper. That's super crucial when you're traveling, especially outdoors, because then now you have this, if you have a weatherproofed item, the last thing you want is for all that water to get in. Open it up, very, very sturdy. Not much to it, right? It's a packing cube, plenty of space. This is a very, very nice elastic strap, and then it's sealed very, very, very nicely here. But one thing people do not realize as much, right, is if you were to fold and roll this up, and you can use this strap to then make it into small wrap or even compact it further. One thing people always are looking for are compression packing cubes. So one con, with this is the fact that there is no real sort of compression. You could use fully zipped up if you wanted to wrap. Let's say you had items in here and you wanted to wrap this around it. That could help with kind of compressing and holding your items tight. If you were to do a size comparison, so 4 times the size, it doesn't really look like it from like length and width, but just pure capacity, right? I mean, if you were to open this up, you'd see that this is quite small. A few t-shirts probably could fit in here. Now that we looked at the ultralight packing cube, let's take a look at the mesh options. So we have here in this nice colorful red, here, this is mesh. And then this is a small. And the small, believe it or not, is 12 liters in mesh versus the 10 liters in the normal ultralight packing cube. And then here we have the extra small. All right, so the price points are exactly the same. When you look on Peak Design official website, I'll leave a link to purchase these in the description of the video. So if I were to compare both, right, with the mesh, you have the same sort of setup, same outside that I had mentioned before, with the ability to close wrap these and also pass through cord to mount the product. Very breathable for the mesh, right? I mean, obviously it's mesh. And with any Peak Design product, you just simply register the warranty and register and activate the warranty, and that's guaranteed for life. These are packing cubes, so hopefully, you shouldn't have to use that, but a super, super big selling point for any Peak Design product. This obviously would not be suited for outdoor use, but the fact that it is breathable makes it a great option for if you've been on a long trip and you want to put stuff in a dirty clothes section, or even actually maybe the opposite. You want something that isn't breathable, you put there. But then here, right, it could keep your clothes clean and breathable. You can also store a number of different other things in the mesh option. It is more flexible as well, right? It can expand in that regard. This does have like this softness to it, but it is a bit more rigid. So this would be better suited for longer trips. I think I would, in general, if I had to choose, it'd be going to the sort of the standard option and not necessarily the mesh. All of them are great products at the price point. It is a premium price. They're all sold individually. So if you want a full set, perhaps, and a more cost-effective product, you may want to look at different options. But in general, I think the design is excellent. The ability for you to use it in a lot of different ways. I love these, like I said, for outdoor use, and the ability to use it for a variety of other things than just clothes. One final thing to give you a sense of just size and scale, right? If we were to pack a sweater, obviously the extra small does not work, right, for that. So like shirts, socks, undergarments, things like that, this would work. In terms of the small, here for size, right, if we were to put this in, you'd see that it does take up a decent amount of space even for small. So this is just one sweater and you're already looking at about half the size. It does expand up as you go, right? And as you pack, then it could be filled in. As you can see the lining here. If you were to make the decision and go with this, which it is an excellent product, very high quality, these are going to last a very long time, opt for an additional size up because you do want that base when you are packing a larger suitcase or a travel tote bag. You do want that bigger layer for packing cubes, and then fill in with something that's like a small and an extra small. Maybe size up to a medium or even a large, depending on your needs for your trip. Hopefully this is helpful comparing all of the Peak Design packing cubes. They are one of the best packing cubes in my opinion because of their durability. The other pros about this, right, I mean, is the functionality. Practicality is a huge part of Peak Design and their engineering of their products. Cons, price point, and it's a premium product, right, but it will last longer. And there's also no compression option that could be mitigated a little bit with this, but I don't think that's going to be the full deal to really seal down if you are a person that packs or wants to maximize your space as much as possible. I'll leave links, like I said, in the description below to where to find Peak Design products. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this helpful. Let me know if you have any questions or comments about the products or anything Peak Design. Huge fan of their products. And if you love Via Travelers, subscribe to our YouTube channel. We will provide the best travel gear reviews, destination ideas for places around the world, and everything you need to know to travel smarter. Thanks for watching.